Welcome. In this video, I will showing the solution of the following integral. Please subscribe. So the integral we'll be working with is going to be the integral of x squared e to the x dx. So we will be solving this integral using integration by parts. The integration by parts method. So the integration by parts method says that integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. So this integral requires using the integration by parts method twice. Integration by parts method twice. Okay, so we'll start with u is equal to x squared and v is equal and dv is equal to e to the x. This means that du dx is equal to 2x. That means that du is equal to 2x d. I'm sorry, 2x dx, and then this means dv equal to e to the x implies that v is equal to e to the x. Okay. Okay, so let's turn the first integral as follows. So x squared e to the x dx is equal to uv, and u is equal to x squared, and then v is equal to e to the x minus the integral of e to the x times, and then du is equal to 2x dx. Okay. This requires another integration by parts. So we have right now we have x squared e to the x minus e to the x 2x dx and we're gonna do a second integration by parts. Okay, so we let and this is what's required. So we're gonna do e to the x 2x dx. Okay, that's gonna be equal to, okay, so we'll let u equal to 2x. Then we say du dx is equal to 2. That means that du is equal to dx. Then we let dv equal to e to the x, and we say that b is equal to e to the x. That means that u is equal to 2x times b, which is e to the x, minus, and then we say b du, which is equal to e to the x, and then du is equal to dx. And of course we have 2 here, so it's going to be equal to 2 e to the x dx, and that's equal to 2x e to the x, and we can pull out on 2, we say e to the x dx, that's equal to 2x e to the x minus 2 e to the x plus c. Okay, so now we have this result here. Now we're gonna plug it into here. So we have x squared e to the x e to the x minus 2x e to the x plus 2 e to the x plus c. And this one we're gonna plug it in back into here. So we say that e to the x dx, e to the x, then x squared dx is equal to 2x squared e to the x minus e to the x 2x dx, and then we're gonna substitute this, so it's gonna be x squared e to the x minus this whole thing here. X squared e to the x minus 2x e to the x squared e to the x minus 2x e to the x and then plus 2 e to the x plus c. Okay, and this will be the final answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.